Hey everyone, Nut For You Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make s'mores kiss cookies. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter softened, so that's a 1 stick, a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 12 large marshmallows, and you just want to cut those in half, and then 24 Hershey Kisses, and we will have to unwrap those. Let's preheat our oven to 350 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper and set that to the side. In a medium bowl, you're going to whisk together your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In a separate large bowl, we are going to cream together our butter, both sugars, and 3/4 of our graham cracker crumbs. That looks good. I just beat mine with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes on medium speed. Next, I'm going to add in the egg and vanilla extract. Now we're going to slowly incorporate our dry into our wet, beating that in between each addition, which I'll probably do in 3 separate parts. My dough is well incorporated. I did have to use my hands. You can only do so much with the mixer because you really want to make sure that this is all incorporated. So next I'm going to take my cookie scoop and scoop out 12 balls, and then we're going to roll them into the rest of our graham cracker crumbs. My first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven, and I just went ahead and made all of my balls just so I knew how big to make them. They're about a tablespoon size, I would say. Then I just rolled them into the rest of my crumbs and put them on my cookie sheet. Now we're going to bake those for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. My first batch of cookies just came out of the oven, and after about 5 minutes I did take a spatula and flatten them because they were not getting flat at all. But now we are going to let them cool for like 2 minutes on here before we add our marshmallow. So go ahead and turn your oven off, and we are going to set it to broil. Alright, my 2 minutes was up, so I went ahead and put my marshmallows on there, sticky side down, and I just gently pressed them in, not too hard. Now we're going to put those on broil. Mine's just on low for probably about 30 seconds. We just want them to brown on the top, but not get crazy. My first batch of cookies is out of the oven. My marshmallows toasted perfectly, so I just immediately got them out and put a Hershey Kiss on top. Now we're going to let these cool probably about 5 minutes till we move them to a cooling rack to cool completely and get to work on our second batch. They are so cute. All of my cookies are out of the oven and cooled off, so I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, I feel that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.